The molato soap I'm going to show you how to make in this video is going to give you about 3 to 4 shades. Yes, this soap works very well without using cream. You can use it alone if you want. The good thing about this soap is that it's going to brighten and lighten your skin without causing you stretch marks or pimples. You can actually make this soap for yourself and start using, and trust me, you're going to love your skin, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this soap for yourself and start using. I'm going to show you the best and simple method to make the soap. So guys, you don't want to stop watching this video, you don't want to go away. You want to know everything I'm going to say in this video. So keep watching this video. Hi, thank you for stopping on my channel today. Today is your first time of seeing me. Please click on the red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so as to be updated anytime I post a new video. If you have a product you want me to make review on, or you have a video suggestion you want me to make, please drop it in the comment section below and I'll see to it, okay? Okay, so let me get straight to why I made this video. You must have been seeing this trending soap. Yes, this is the trending soap, the molato soap, and I'm going to show you the full recipe how to make it in this video, okay? So watch this video to the end. Before I start listing the ingredients you need for this soap, you have to know that there are different methods to make this molato soap for different skin shades or skin types. So if you are interested to know more about molato set, which is molato or lotion, oil, soap, face cream and all that, chat me up with the numbers I'm going to place on the screen, okay? This molato soap is made with good ingredients, good whitening soaps that are going to brighten your skin without giving you any side effects. So the first soap we'll be needing is Ashanti papaya and honey soap. This soap is fully loaded with vitamins and AHA. And the ingredient in this soap makes it very good, penetrates deep into the skin and makes it very good to fight acne and anti-aging. So you'll be needing 2 of this soap I just made now. The next soap you'll be needing is your K-Brother soap. K-Brother is a cleansing soap. It has whitening and anti-acne agents that are going to help heal stressed skin. So you need 3 of your K-Brother soap. The next soap you need is your Extra Beauty Herbal Whitening Soap. You're going to be needing 3 of your Extra Beauty Herbal Soap. This soap is going to lighten your skin naturally and it's going to help clear stubborn acne scars on your skin. So you'll be needing 3 of it. The next soap you'll be needing is your 3 days balls. You'll be needing 1 nylon of your 3 days balls. This is very good for dark knuckles. It's a very effective remedy for dark knuckles. So you'll be needing 1 of that. And the next ingredient, the last soap you'll be needing is your ozone soap. You'll be needing 1 ozone soap too. This is very effective in lightening the skin and is very effective in treating stretch marks. So you'll be needing 1 of your ozone soap. The next ingredient you will need is 50 grams of papaya powder, your skin-free milk, 1 bottle, and the last but not the least, you will need 1 liter of your soap activator. Soap activator is going to enable the deep penetration of the ingredients in your soap, and it's going to help improve your soap whitening. Another option for this soap activator, you can use your shower wash or you can use your Castile soap depending on your choice. Now guys, let's go to the procedure, the step-by-step method how you can turn all these ingredients I list to your molato soap. Firstly, you have to get your clean bowl and grate all the soaps I just mentioned in this video. Your Ashanti papaya and honey soap, your K-Brother soap, your Extra Beauty Herbal soap, your ozone soap, your 3 days balls. After you're done grating all your soaps in the bowl, you add in your soap activator, your 1 liter soap activator. You add it inside the bowl and soak it overnight. You can leave it for 2 days. The next day, you now add in the rest of your ingredients, which is your papaya powder and your skin-free milk inside the soap. when you're done adding all your ingredients, you blend it. When you're done blending it, you can package your soap and you are ready to use it. You can leave the soap for 24 hours before using the soap. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop for today. If you watched my video to this extent, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching my video to this extent. I hope you liked it. If you have any question regarding what I said earlier, or you have a video suggestion, you have a video you want me to make for you, please drop it in the comment section below. Okay, so like this video and share this video to your friends. And please, I'm going to remind you to also subscribe to my channel, okay? So anytime I post a new video, you would get notified, okay? Bye.